if you believe the universe was created by God, by nature, by mystery, whatever, if you believe creation, you should agree that before the Creator created the universe, he must create atoms first, because everything exists, everything is formed from atoms. Do you agree that? Now, our theories about atoms are all mistakes, simple mistakes. Scientists assume atoms are formed by electrons and protons. The fact is, electron and proton, they carry different charges. They attract each other with the strongest force we measured, called the Coulomb's force. It's 10 to 39 power of gravity, super strong force. If electron and proton exist, they must attract each other. They cannot magically roaming around form atoms. This is a simple fact and logic, but all these scientists deny the fact, still use this theory to build other false theories. Atoms, according to my knowledge, I have a theory. Atoms are formed by charged, empty, hollow sphere with multiple layers, 2 or 3 layers, shell, and inside the shell is another charged solid ball. The solid ball, inside the ball, and the inside layer of the hollow sphere has the same charge. So the inside the ball is always oscillate at natural frequency. That's how atoms are built. The so-called electrons are not electrons. It's this negative charged fluid float around the atoms. It's like a water float on land. But some atoms, the outer layer, outer sphere, is negative charged. So the water, the charged fluid, will float above that negative charged outside sphere of the atom. That's conductor atoms constructed like that. Not conductor, insulator, those atoms, the outside layer is positive charged. So the negatively charged so-called electron, that liquid, is attracted to the surface of the non-conductor atoms. That's why non-conductor cannot carry current. But a metal, the conductor atoms, because that floating charged fluid, that electron fluid, is floating, repelled by the negative charge outside the shell of the conductor atoms, conductive atoms. Those are like copper, silver, gold, can conduct electricity. Also, they can oscillate. If you push it, it can oscillate above the atom, reflect light. That's why metals are reflective. Anyways, every atom carries electricity because the charged particle is oscillate. Every atom is a potential generator and a transformer. That's how the universe works. The more atoms attracted together by gravity, the bigger mass, the higher temperature, because the smaller space and the gravity attraction make the oscillation at the same frequency but a higher voltage. The higher mass density, the higher temperature, the higher oscillating electricity. That's why thermodynamics second law. That's why heat can only flow one way, because the hotter matter oscillates at higher voltage. The sun does not radiate light, photon particle solar winds into space. That's totally a mistake. The sun, because the mass is so big, gravity is so strong, so the atoms on the sun oscillate at very high voltage. And the atoms on the sun and the atoms on the earth all connected by gravity, by Coulomb's force. The surface of the line of sight atoms from the sun and earth, they push each other with the Coulomb's force. The sunlight, just oscillating electricity, is simultaneously shared with the earth, sun facing side of earth, because all the atoms push each other, so they oscillate at the same frequency. That is how sunlight induces earth light. There is no photon, there is no light from the sun travel into space at light speed reach earth, take 8 minutes. That's totally scientific mistake. It's a fucking lie, bullshit. Light is oscillating electricity, atoms carried. Light, energy, radiation, everything is coexisted with atoms. There's absolutely nothing in space. No gravity. The gravity is within, all the forces are within matters. There's no force field. What's the force field? There's a force, but the force is within matters. There's no gravity in space. Gravity is not a light speed. Gravity is always within the matter. It's forever existing. There's no speed. If gravity has a speed, not even light speed, let's say gravity has 1 billion times light speed. But we move around the sun, so the gravity will behind every. Then if gravity has a speed, there will be no stable orbit. Very simple fact and logic. If gravity has a speed, there will be no stable orbit can exist. This is a fact. But the scientists deny this fact. Anyways, this is my theory about how atoms are formed. My ideal, my belief is the universe is mysteriously just self-existed. Just boom, it's there. There's no beginning, there's no end. Just existence. Existence. This is the most beautiful mystery I can figure out. The universe just boom, just magically happened. There's no beginning, there's no creator. Who can create all these atoms? Who can create all these atoms? How? We already, from our knowledge, our study, we already know atoms cannot be destroyed or created. matter and energy are conserved, cannot be created or destroyed. Where it come from? The only logical explanation is boom, just magically exists. That's the beauty of life. Have a good one.